To make background image blur in Canva, I want to bring in the image I want to use as my background. I'm going to bring in any image from here and let's set it as background. We have this image now as our background. If I want to blur this image now, what I'm going to do is to tap on the image on the background and go over to edit and click on image itself. Let's click on see all. I will grab this image out of the background, grab her out and click on grab. Now that I have her away from the background, if I move, you can see she's away from the background. I'm going to undo just to position her back to where she is. I'm going to tap on the background. I'm going to come back to the edit here and click on image again. I will click on see all here and you will see the blur here. If you click on the blur, you can see that it's only the background that is selected. We can click to blur the whole image, and from here we will choose the intensity of the blur. As you're blurring, you can see how the background is blurring. So let's take the blur to 40. If we go back, you can see that we've applied blur to our background, leaving our image as sharp as ever.